Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find privacy protection. Here we have to swipe to the left and scroll down again. Tap on special permissions and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So of course you can change it. Let me find maybe Chrome, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, your device will inform you that basically you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You will have to tick this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something. It will work the same with all other apps. Of course, you can also remove all previously given permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.